Fan motor, no worky. Fuck away from you, dumbass wasp. My dick. I think this unit's... You see that fucking motor? Fan motor is bad. Alright, I gotta hustle a fan motor. Bad fuse in a contactor. Since I saw water right here on a hose, since I'm right here, might as well. Fuck it. Fuck it, might as well. Since I clean both of them. Might as well. Okay. I'm just saying, maybe that fan motor's going out. Let it go. Let it go, see what happens. So. Alrighty. Well, that's that.